Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just have like a little project share for you guys, things I have created that I haven't done a video for, or things I created just to stack up in my shop. During this time where we're all at home or working from home or just in quarantine or whatever it is, I am just crafting as much as I can when I'm not working because I still have my regular work hours. So when I'm not working, I get to craft. So I want to show you guys what I created that wasn't for a swap, not for any reason. I just kind of started creating it and then I was like, ooh, this would be good to have in my shop. But I just really wanted to try out some new dyes and things like that. So one of the first things you guys saw, I was just cleaning off my desk. I mean, you guys have seen this before, but you didn't see this one in particular. So I was cleaning off my desk and I was like, you know what? I still have some Valentine's Day paper laying around on my desk. And so I created another one of these mini album things. I had a few in my shop and they both sold, and then I had some leftover paper that was just sitting on my desk and I was like, you know what, I want to create with this. So this one has a little bow, it has this cute little clothespin, and it has, this is a ribbon. This is the bow, super shiny and pretty, and this just opens up and looks like this. How pretty! I mean, you guys have seen this before. You could add a photo here, you could add 1, 2, 3 photos here on both sides, and then another photo here, so it'll fit 8 photos. You could do it like a quick little Valentine's Day thing, like photos from Valentine's Day. You could even add photos on these things. I left them white in case you want to journal or write down some things, but you could also add photos. So really you could add up to 12 photos in here. So this is super cute. I had these little things left on my desk from when I was making a whole bunch of these. I made like 7 this year around Valentine's Day, like total. And so I had a little bit of these left over and I was like, you know what, let me just finish making one whole other one. So that's what I did. I was trying to clean off my desk, and I also just love making these mini albums. I think they're so fun. So I did make this one. Let me put this together and then I'll show you guys the next thing that I created as well. So this is just what it looks like up close. Again, the ribbon, you have the little clothespin, and then this cute little bow that I created. Alright, so that's the little album. Next up, I have a whole bunch of cards that I made. So I have tons of dies and I wanted to play with some new ones that I had. These are all ones that I made with new dies that I never got a chance to play with before. So here I have a cake die by Sizzix, and I created a little birthday card here. All the layering pieces, these little icing pieces are popped up on foam. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I also wrapped thread around these pieces to add a little bit of shine. Here for the candles, I cut them out in cardstock. I Copic markered the little stripes, and I then double layered a yellow top for the candle. Copic markered that with yellow and orange, and then I also put the glossy accents on top of it to make it shiny. So that's that. The base here is glitter. The bottom of this like plate is like this is actually wrapping paper right here, like a gold foil, but it's wrapping paper. Here I embossed the sentiment that says Make a Wish, so I stamped it, heat embossed it, and then I also inked around the edges a little bit to match, so it wasn't just like a standing out white. Then I have like some little enamel dots in this little bow. And then on the inside, it doesn't say anything, so somebody could write their little message here for somebody's birthday. I also made the second birthday card as well. This one is a pink background. You have this foam glitter for the icing, little flowers, these foiled rosy gold candles. And again, I double layered it with the yellow and I inked it with some orange Copic markers and then added glossy accents. Has little gemmies here, different patterns layered here. And then here on the bottom for the plate, you have like a holographic pink plate. And then you also have the Make a Wish sentiment that is heat embossed in navy blue. And then also inked around the edges in like a salmon color to match kind of like the pink. And then a cute little yellow bow. Again, the inside of this is blank, so anybody could write whatever they want. You could even add like a little gift card here and just like stick it on with like a adhesive dot if you wanted to, because it would fit. So super cute little birthday card. And then with that same die, I decided to create a wedding card or an engagement card, whichever one. So this one is white with like this shiny embossed cake background. It also has a layer of tulle on the base. Here you have these glitter, like minty colored ones, popped up on some foam for the icing. You have these little flowers. The plate here is in a rose gold. And you have the top rings in a silver glitter. And then this ring right here with the diamond has glossy accents on it. And then this foiled sentiment here says congratulations. And I actually print and cut that myself, and I foiled it. So I ended up stocking up on some foiled sentiments for myself because they're always going to come in handy. And you never know when you're going to need it and to add it to a card. And I think here it just looks amazing. It looks so gorgeous. So that's two different ways you guys could use this cake die. I mean, you could also use it for a graduation or whatever. You just decorate it a little differently. But those are a couple of ideas for that Sizzix cake die. And I will also have a link down below to it if I could find it for you guys. Then I also had a palm tree pop-up die that I really wanted to play with. So there is a palm tree pop-up on the inside of this card. Creating this card was kind of difficult for me because I had no idea how I should decorate the outside of it. And yeah, I mean, there's a palm tree on the inside. But so what I ended up doing is I ended up adding this ribbon. I print and cut this word that says celebrate. Kind of like a shell under the sea, you know, but celebrate. You have these are crystal nouveau drops and the glitter drops as well. So I have the double, they're like hard now, they dry hard. So they're gonna stand here, but I thought they look cool, like little bubbles in the water. Here I cut out some waves and I fall stitched around it with like a blue marker, and I also inked the edges of these, so and the sides of this card, so you guys could see it kind of fades in like a darker blue. I also have this little mermaid that I print and cut, and for her I added in these little glitter pieces here with the wink of Stella, so she has glitter on her tail, the little star on the headband, and her necklace. And then I print and cut this little seaweed background. Then on the inside, you open it up and you have this palm tree. So this is a card I was struggling with in making at first. Like, I really wanted to make the palm tree, but I had no idea how to decorate the rest of the card, whether the inside or the outside. But the palm trees look so cute. They stick out a little bit, a little teeny bit. It was my first time doing this, but I think it turned out really good. I got two little palm trees. Here I have more of the little waves, and I fall stitched around it and inked the edges. I also inked on the craft cardstock so it's not so flat looking, and I fall stitched around it in brown. Then I print and cut these little digital images of the turtle, but then I Copic markered colored it myself, and I added in some glitter to that. And then I print and cut this that says have a fantastic birthday, since it's going with like the under the sea theme. So I thought that turned out really cute. I love the palm trees. It kind of looks like a little island. Very, very cute. I mean, I could have also just done this all like the sandy color and decorated with like a beach chair or something, but I also really wanted it to be like a little island of palm trees. I don't know. I think it's cute though. So it folds flat like this, and that's another card that I made using that pop-up palm tree die. And then another die that I had in my stash is by Fawn, and it creates this little window and a spinny wheel. So you could turn this and it has a different sentiment. So I have you are so super awesome, amazing, terrific, and it's just like a nice interactive fun card. I had double layered and die cut out little balloons. Oh, and I stitched around the bottom frame in gold thread. So here I have a double layered balloon, gold on the bottom, and then like this word one on top. It just says like don't quit, moving forward, things are possible. What does this one say? Darling, something, something, dream, courage. So different word ones that I just cut out with the balloon. And then on the inside, I just stamped wishing you a wonderful birthday. So I think that turned out so cute. I love the fun interactive part of this card. And then I also created another one. I wanted this one to be kind of more for a boy that somebody could buy. They could buy it for a girl too, but I was thinking more so boy in terms of this card. And then this one I was thinking more so girl, for somebody that likes pinks and whatever. So this one I stitched around the outside with like a zigzag stitch. I stitched around this panel as well with like a regular gold stitch and around this where it says the terrific. And that's like a darker pink here. We have a lighter pink here with a stamp that says have a really, and then this says terrific, fabulous, magical, amazing birthday. And this I die cut out with the birthday die that I had, and I layered it on some pink foam as well to give it some dimension. Here I added in some enamel dots, and then when you open this up it says wishing you a wonderful birthday, just like the other card. So I think these turned out all so cute. I had so much fun making all of like these new cards that otherwise I don't know when I would have had a chance to do. And for those of you that know, card making is like my absolute favorite to make. So I've been having a lot of fun trying out these new dies and making some cards. So I hope you guys enjoyed this project share video of all the cards and projects that I recently worked on. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want any of these, or if you guys want to check them out further, I will have these up in my Etsy shop. I was making them to play with them, but I also really like them, so I think they should go in my Etsy shop. So they're just gonna live there. So yeah, if you guys are interested, you guys could just head over to my Etsy shop. But other than that, I really just wanted to share with you guys what I have been working on. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and any links to dies, my Etsy shop, everything will be linked down below, as long as I could find the certain dies and whatever I used. And I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!